So we're actually on our way home back to Bendigo, and we've pulled up in Seymour at the Royal Hotel. They've actually got a park out the back that you can stay for free. So they've got lunches from 12 to 2, dinners Monday to Saturday 5 to 8:30, and Sunday 8 up to 8 o'clock. So it's a Royal Hotel. It's pretty good, and you've got the river down the back here. I'll just show you where we're staying. So there's plenty of room. I think you could actually do an overflow out the back here. Nice grassed areas. There's some trees for shade. We've got heaps of solar, and you're right close to the Goulburn River, which runs along here, and there's a walking path. So town is probably about 2 blocks that way, and so this is the main road that goes into Seymour back to the Hume Highway. You've got a good beer garden here, so you can just go through, get your drinks, and it looks like they've got a decent fire here that you can use. You wouldn't want to use it today, but in winter that would be pretty good. So yeah, so it's a good place to come for free, a good overnighter, or if you want to stay longer and explore the town. So we're camped just over here, and then you just walk straight down here and you can do some fishing. So apparently you can get cod, trout. You just got to be lucky, but give it a go and see how you go. Because Puckapunyal's so close, which is the army base, there's a fair few army things here. Like we've got the Leopard tank here, and then over here we've got the big Huey helicopter, which we'll go and have a close look at. This is the start of the Vietnam Veterans Commemorative Walk, and obviously it goes down here, and we'll go and have a look. There's the underside of the Huey. I'm thinking that's a 25-pounder. And then we've got another tank down here, the Centurion tank. It was superseded by the Leopard tank. The Australian Army used it in Vietnam. This is quite an impressive wall. Commemorates the 60,267 service personnel and 11 tracker dogs who served in South Vietnam. We've got lots of names there. That's in all services. There's a caribou. And it just goes on and on. It's, here we've got a Bofors anti-aircraft gun that would have been aboard a naval ship. And last but not least, an armoured personnel carrier. Check that out. I need to point out that I just went down to one side there, but coming back here, I now realise the names just go straight down this side as well. It's it just shows how many guys were sent over there, and each would have their own story. The lockup was actually built in 1853 on the banks of the Goulburn River, and then it was actually moved to the police station, where it was used until 1962. 1994 it was actually moved again to Kings Park here, and yeah, it's a pretty mean looking lockup. Seymour was an inland port back when they used to have about 600 people living here, and this is the Goulburn River, and the first paddle steamer to come from Echuca was the Binyup. It took them 11 days to get here, and yeah, there used to be a big pier going out there. You can see some of the remnants. So here's the aftermath of a big tree coming down. It's actually wrecked this picnic area here. That old table there's absolutely smashed. But yeah, a fair bit of work to clean this one up. But a really nice little walk along the river from the Royal Pub where we stayed last night. And all the birds are up nice and early. We've even got Mr. Koala Art up in the tree. He's an interesting piece of art. And we've got bird there, got a snake coming out here.